Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. I'm just coming on to show you a few things I've been messing about with that I'm gonna have for the 100 things challenge. Right, the other day I had a soft furnishing brochure come through, so I made some envelopes with it, but I've not folded them up. I just went a bit heavy on that one, split it up, but that'll be all right. So I often do this with, Nina got me into this catalogue actually. That's what it is. So I just keep them like that because it's easier for me to store. So I made a load of envelopes with that, with my envelope punch board, and then I've shown these before, but this little piece that you cut out there, I save a lot of those, don't always save them, and then I make some little flowers. I just got 2. I needed 12 little pieces for that. Just curled them. Hold on a minute. You get little pieces like that, look. Then all I did was just went like that with my finger and then just stuck them onto a little circle of card. Put a bit of, oh the light's terrible, sorry, a bit of bling in the middle. So that's one thing. Another thing is some more borders. I've got a load more borders downstairs, but they're downstairs, so they're not upstairs here with me, but I'll show you those another day. But these are with junk mail that came through, you know, all the leaflets that you either get through the door or get in magazines. I think these ones were through the door, and I just went over them all with paint. Oh, well, over them both. There was 2 leaflets with paint. I didn't have to use gesso. I thought I was going to do it light enough to be able to see bits of the colour underneath, but I was obviously heavy-handed and covered it all up. I know some of you will have seen these because I put it on Instagram. Put them on Instagram. Made some more of those. I really just love making these, and lots of people on Instagram said they look like little houses, which that one definitely does. Little beach huts. There's those, and this one was a bluish, blue and red excuse me, piece of paper, so I went with blues and reds and mauves and just doodled on them. Oh, well, I painted and then stamped. You can't really see this. I think I stamped, did I? Yeah, and then stamped on them and then doodled on them. So that's another one. Right, the lovely Julie from Julie Olivia's Crafty Boutique, a couple of weeks ago, she's been holding a challenge. She does a challenge yourself thing, but as usual, I've left it too late. But she showed us how to make some, I don't know what Julie called them, but I'm sort of calling them pocket envelope. I don't know. So I've been making, well, I've made 3, some of those. It's just a couple of folds. I've got so many blooming paper packs. I thought, right, I've got to start using them up. And you've got a little pocket in there. So there's that one. This was the first one I made. There's that one. Thank you, Julie. I don't know whether I've made something like this before. If I have, it was a long time ago. I don't know whether it's exactly the same. As you know, I'm a bit forgetful. And then that one. So I love making those. That's those, and then some, because Julie's challenge was to make one of these and make a mini pocket letter. So I really struggled with these. So I've made 3 of these because I knew I'd got some of the folders left, so I just cut it down and just made 3. The background paper, my daughter, well, I don't know if it's my daughter or granddaughter, bought me this. You can see it, it's ever so pretty. It was like an A4 sheet, like Valentine's paper, so I thought, right, I shall use that, but I struggled to do them. I've just done 3 all the same, virtually all the same. These little cocktail sticks I got from, I think it was Poundland a long time ago, or several months ago. I thought, oh, I'll use those because I don't have a lot of Valentine's stuff. This one was on a cocktail stick, and so was that one, but I just cut those off. So that's those, and some bits in the back. I should be sending these out to some people at some point. It probably won't be before Valentine's Day, knowing me. And then another thing Julie did was I can't remember whether she called it a gift bag or a gift envelope, to put these in, because they don't actually fit in there, but I thought I would. They do if you... It's a bit fallen out the back. I've put some bits and bobs in the back, but I've not finished them all yet. Get in there, you little monkey. Dear, disobedient bow. Yeah, it'll fit in there like that. But anyway, Julie made a pocket, not a pocket, a gift bag or a gift envelope. I think she called it a gift bag. Well, I tried to make one. It was really easy tutorial. It went horrifically wrong, so I've had to chop it down and make it into just a little envelope thingy. But Julie's had got like a gusset piece along the bottom that you could stand up, but no, it looked hideous. I don't know whether it's because I'd used card and not paper, but all is not lost, and the bit that I cut off the bottom I cut some little hearts with, so yes, I don't know, just simple things and I can't do them. Right, and next thing, Amy showed us how to do a brilliant stamp cancellation stamp, I think she called it. So I had to go at one of those. I sat last week, and yes, sat. I don't usually sit, but I was sitting downstairs watching Amy on the television. So I thought, oh, I've got to do that. So I've been messing about with that, and for anybody that doesn't know Amy, well, everybody will know Amy. Her channel is Aljon, and she does a weekly build your stash and craft, and she's just brilliant. But I will leave the link to this video where she shows you how to do it. That's my test paper look. And so yesterday, ages ago, I made some postcards. I'll just show you these postcards. Some of you will have seen them. They are on the blank postcards that you buy. So I decided to just colour the back in, put one of my stamps that I've been saving for years, and then just stamped it. So I'm really pleased with that. Thank you so much, Amy. She's so clever. It was a little bit fiddly to do, especially these bits, but I got there. There's that one, this one, this one. Say these postcards I made, well, I don't think it was last year, probably the year before. I love this one. Some people think it's, well, I think it's a man, but a lot of people said, oh, she's a grumpy looking woman, or refer to her as a woman, but I think it looks like a man to me. That one, and these ones have yet to be finished. Yes, so that's all I've got to show you for today. Just quickly, I think, just let me get the board out. You don't need this board. I just thought I would show for anybody that's not seen how to do these. Somebody's bound to ask. I will leave the link to Julie's tutorial, but I used, I suppose, any size. As long as it's a square, you could use smaller than a 12 by 12, but for these, you use a 12 by 12. Now this is a thinner card. It's a bit thicker than a paper, but it's not quite a card. So you want it face down. Let's have a look. And all you do is you fold it one way. So you don't need this board. It's just that it's easier for me to line it up. Fold it that way. Can you see? Yes, I think so. And you fold it the other way. And I usually have my nose right on it, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah, so if you've got double-sided, whichever colour you want on the outside, you put it face down. I just thought I would use this one, so it might be easier for you to see. Right, then what we need to do is fold the corners into the middle. This is the bit where I usually need my nose right on it. You can take longer than I'm going to do. Just fold your corners into the middle. One lined up properly, never mind. Right, so you've got that. Yeah, so you've got a crease going that way, a crease going that way. But then what we need to do, we need to fold it across the piece where there isn't a crease. I'm a poet and I know it. So fold it up like that. There. And then all you do is just stick it down there with either tape or your preferred method of sticking down. I just use a bit of glue. Or you could sew it down there if you wanted to, but glue it down there, and then you've got your pockets. That one, and then the other side, and just decorate it how you will. Or you could, as Julie said, you could fold just one of those in, a bit like that, or you could fold them both in. Probably other things you could do as well. But yeah, I thought I would just show you because somebody's bound to ask. But they're quite nice to make, they are. So there we go. Right, I shall love you and leave you for now. I don't think there was anything else. I'll probably come back on tomorrow and show you the other borders and flowers that I've been making. But thank you very much for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye, and thanks again, Julie, for the inspiration.